and somebody walks in. Do you live in a dorm? Do you travel a lot and stay in hotels a lot? And you're worried about your safety from intruders entering the door of where you are staying? These door stop alarms are what you're looking for. Once it presses, like the person opens the door, this alarm will go off. It has 3 sound levels. The highest one is 120 dp. Okay, this is the on and off button, and it has a non-slip pad. This is the door stop alarm. Once the door opens, it will slide down and it will let it go off. Let's try. Let's see if you want to put it like this and somebody breaks in. So if you switch it on, you place it here and somebody walks in. And this setting is only on the medium sensitivity. You can imagine like the loud one is like really, really loud. Oh my. This is the sensitivity settings. Each box, it comes with 2 doorstop alarms, and they also look really nice. I hope you like it and stay safe.